Hello everyone! In this video, we will walk through the installation of GLPI Agent on Linux, specifically Ubuntu and other Debian-based systems. Follow along as we go step by step to set it up quickly and easily. First, make sure you already have a running GLPI server. If not, you can check the GLPI installation video linked in the description. Next, enable the inventory feature on your GLPI server to allow the system to collect and manage hardware and software information from your devices. By default, this feature is disabled, so you need to check and enable it before proceeding. Now, open the terminal window. Let's start installing the GLPI agent. First, let's refresh the repository so the system can update the latest package list. Next, install the required packages so the GLPI agent can install and run properly on the system. Next, visit the official GitHub repository of the project to download the latest version of the GLPI agent. At this time, the latest GLPI agent version is 1.15. Next, copy the download link for the Linux installation file. Now, download the installation package using a command line tool such as wget. Just paste the link you copied earlier. After downloading, you will get an executable file similar to this. Now, let's proceed to install the GLPI agent on your system. Here, enter the URL of your GLPI server. Depending on how you deploy GLPI, the URL may vary. Next, we will keep the default configuration, so just press Enter to continue. Next, enter a tag if you want. This helps categorize and manage devices more easily in GLPI. If you don't need it, simply leave it blank and press Enter. Once installed, GLPI Agent is set up as a service. Now we will enable and start this service. Then, verify the service status to ensure that the GLPI agent is running successfully. If the result shows active, it means the GLPI agent is running successfully and ready to send data to the server. To force the GLPI agent to send data to the server immediately, you can trigger it manually instead of waiting for the default interval. Okay, now go back to the GLPI admin page. Here, you should see the device information that was just sent and displayed in the inventory list. At this point, you can now view detailed hardware and software information of the client directly in the inventory section. And that's it! We've successfully installed and configured the GLPI agent on Linux. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.